Hello student, myself Jaimin Patel from Electrical Engineering Department. Today we are learn the subject electrical power generation and the topic is hydropower plant. Now let's see the content. First one about hydropower plant, second energy conversion in hydropower plant, third site selection of hydropower plant and working of hydropower plant. See about hydropower plant. In India, 13% of total power is generated by hydropower plants. Generating station which utilize the potential energy of water at a high level for the generation of electrical energy is known as a hydropower plant. In hydropower plant, there is no fuel is used, but the potential energy of water at some height is used. A hydropower plant is a multi-purpose scheme. It includes flood control and irrigation scheme in addition to the power generation. Let's see energy conversion in hydropower plant. In hydropower plant, there is a potential energy in water is at some height. When this water is brought down by passing it through the penstock, the potential energy is converted into the kinetic energy. Now when water passes through the turbine, the kinetic energy is converted into the mechanical energy. Alternator coupled to the turbine converts mechanical energy to the electrical energy. Thus, the potential energy of water at some height is converted to the kinetic energy. The kinetic energy is converted to mechanical energy, and the mechanical energy is converted to the electrical energy. So, in this way, the energy conversion take place in hydropower plant. Let's see the site selection of hydropower plant. First one, large quantity of water should be available throughout the year. Second, the catchment area should be large. Third one, there should be good transportation facility. Fourth one, good hard rock bottom is available at reasonable depth because we have to construct the dam. Fifth one, diversion of main river is possible. Let's see the working of hydropower plant. So in hydropower plant, the kinetic energy developed due to the gravity in falling water from higher to the lower head is utilized to rotate a turbine to produce electricity. The potential energy stored in water at upper level will release as a kinetic energy when it falls to the lower water level. This turbine rotates when the following water strikes the turbine blades. To achieve a head difference of water, hydropower plants are generally constructed in hilly areas. In the way of the river in hilly areas, an artificial dam is constructed to create a required water head. From this dam, the water is allowed to fall toward the downstream in a controlled way to the turbine blades. As a result, the turbine rotates due to the water force applied to its blade. Hence, the alternator rotates. Since the turbine shaft is coupled with the alternator shaft, it converts mechanical energy to the electrical energy. So, this is about the working of hydropower plant. Let's see the assignment questions. First one, explain energy conversion of hydropower plant. Second, write about the site selection of hydropower plant. Third, explain working of hydropower plant with diagram. Hope you enjoy the video. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, please subscribe and like our YouTube channel LJPEC-ELE and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get latest video update first.